Hi everyone, this is Bruno Moura from Chemical Groove Recording Studio, Anápolis, Brazil. Today I'm gonna show you how I solved a little problem related with the word clock synchronization between my audio interface, in this case the Focusrite Liquid Saffire, and this guy, the Universal Audio 4710D microphone preamplifier. Well, if you never worked with word clock, it's a very easy and simple concept to understand. Basically, if you have the signal being converted in one device and processed in another, probably we'll need to sync these two devices via word clock connections, and now I'll show you how. Well, one of the possibilities to work with this universal audio is to convert the signal in here and send the signal via optical output to your main interface. In the here panel, you can see the optical cable connected in here. The problem is, even if the sample rate of work is correctly selected, 48 kilohertz in this case, 48 kilohertz. The sound is not good. The sound is out of synchronization and appears distorted. Listen. Hello, I'll increase the volume. Hello, som 2, teste. Well, to solve this problem, you need to connect the output of word clock connection from your audio interface to the input of your slave interface, in this case, using this B and C standard cable, right? And the problem will be solved. You need to switch the selector to double C. And now the signal will be clear. Listen. Hello, som 2, teste, som. And you can use 24B. Sound, check. That's it. If you have never worked with word clock sync, maybe this hint could be useful for you. Thank you for watching.